Hi friends, hearty welcome to you all to my channel Cook with Sana Khuram. This is Sana. Today's recipe is the very colorful, creamy and delicious dessert Royal Falooda. The beautiful and vibrant layers of this sweet delicacy would surely be a treat not only for your taste buds but for your eyes as well. Friends, if you enjoy my video and my recipe, please hit a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon so that you will get the updates of my new videos. And please don't forget to share this recipe with your loved ones. Come, let's get on to the recipe. Take a small bowl and add 2 tablespoons of Falooda seeds or Sabja seeds. You can also call them as sweet basil seeds. To this add half a cup of hot water. Mix it well. It has to get bloomed, so cover it and let it soak for about 30 minutes so that it gets bloomed. Now these are the flavored Falooda safe. This is strawberry flavor. The green one is the cardamom flavor and the yellow one is the mango flavor. You get Falooda safe in different colors and flavors. Now I have taken 150 grams. Each color is 50 grams. So totally 150. We're going to boil them. So take 3 cups of water in a pan. And once the water gets boiled, you add the safe. Don't add all the colors at the same time. Add each color one by one. Now once the vermicelli gets boiled and cooked well, strain it. You have to cook just for 5 minutes. Don't cook for more than 5 minutes. Now to this add 2 cups of cold water and some ice cubes, some 6 to 7 ice cubes you can add. By doing this we get non-sticky vermicelli. Now strain it again. You can see they're separate. They don't get stuck with each other. Now spread it and keep it aside. Now let's make the rose milk. I have taken 1 liter of thick milk. Cook it over a slow flame till the milk gets reduced to 3/4 of its quantity. To this add 1 cup of sugar, granulated sugar. Now the milk has been reduced to 3/4 of its quantity. At this point of time, switch off the stove and add half a teaspoon of rose milk essence. If you don't get rose milk essence, you can also use rose essence and add few drops of pink liquid color or gel color. Now you can see the rose milk is ready. Now these are vegetarian flavored jellies. Make them according to the directions given in the package. These are the cut fruits. This is the Falooda safe which we had cooked. All the 3 colors I have taken. And these are the bloomed Sabja seeds, dried black currant, candied cherries, cashews, raisins, pistachios, blanched ones, honey, rose syrup, green apple syrup, rose milk that we had made. Take a tall glass to take up all these yummy and colorful ingredients. Now first add 1 tablespoon of vanilla ice cream and 2 teaspoons of Sabja seeds, the bloomed ones. And add about 2 teaspoons of rose syrup and add some more vanilla ice cream also. And add the cooked Falooda safe. Add all the 3 colors. Now sweeten the vermicelli by adding 2 teaspoons of honey because we had not added sugar while boiling the vermicelli. So now we are adding honey. Now this is green apple flavored vegetarian jelly which we had made. And add the pineapple flavored jelly now. Now add the dry fruits and nuts, the cashews, the black currants and the raisins. Add all of them. And the blanched pistachios. These are blanched and peeled ones. And add the cut fruits. apples, kiwis, and cherries, and whatever fruits you want, you can add. Now, this is the rose milk which we had made. Now, you can add the blueberry flavored jelly. These are all vegetarian jellies only. And strawberry flavored jelly. Now, add some green apple syrup. Add some more jelly and Falooda seeds to make it more and more colorful, and add some more Falooda seeds over it, and add some more rose syrup. Now our super delicious and colorful royal Falooda is ready. Now let's top with a scoop of ice cream and enjoy. Vanilla ice cream, 1 scoop. We're going to top it up with honey, rose syrup, and green apple syrup. And we're going to finally finish it off with some dry fruits and nuts of your choice. Please try it and let me know how it came out by writing your valuable feedback in the comments box. Thank you all.